Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Great Indian Festival sale and my wife wanted Bluetooth earphones. We ordered the AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation, listed at around Rs 16,000. With SBI debit or credit cards, you could get it down to about Rs 14,500. But since we had used company reward points on Amazon, we skipped the card discounts. I also have the AirPods Pro 2, so we will compare them later. Let's unbox. The box feels premium with embossing. This pair is assembled in Vietnam with an MRP of Rs 17,900. Pull the Apple tabs, and inside you first see the paperwork, quick start guide, setup illustrations, and the 1-year limited Apple warranty documentation. And then the AirPods case. Now, looking at the AirPods 4 case, it's more compact than the Pro 2 case. The edges are slightly softer, giving it a sleeker feel. The AirPods Pro 2 case is a bit bulkier and has extras like a lanyard loop, speaker grills for Find My Alerts, and importantly a physical pairing button on the back. By contrast, the AirPods 4 case looks cleaner and more minimal. There is no visible button at all. Instead, Apple replaced it with the hidden double tap gesture on the case itself, which acts like the pairing button. At the bottom, both cases have charging ports, USB-C on AirPods 4 and Lightning on AirPods Pro 2. At first glance, I didn't notice any LED indicator on the front of the AirPods 4, so I thought there wasn't one. But when I opened the lid, suddenly a hidden LED lit up under the shell. That was a nice surprise because it's invisible when off and only shows when active. The hinge feels smooth but solid. Looking at the earbuds, rounded edges, force sensors on the stem, charging contacts below. Unlike the Pro 2, these don't have silicone tips, so they don't seal the canal, but Apple designed them to fit securely. Now for pairing, just open the lid, and if you double tap the case, the AirPods enter pairing mode. And here's the cool part, the same hidden LED starts flashing white, showing it's ready to connect. On the iPhone, you instantly get the setup animation. First time setup also shows all the features: noise cancellation, transparency and adaptive audio, conversation awareness to lower audio when you talk, announcements for calls and notifications, head gestures for playback control. Fit test. Align the stem towards the corner of your mouth and the earbuds sit snugly. Even with movement, they don't feel like they will pop out. This ensures the best listening experience and stability for exercises, running or daily use. Now let's do the spatial audio setup. Remove the AirPods from your ears and the iPhone will prompt a scan of your face and ears. Rotate your head as instructed so it captures the shape of your ears. Once the scan is complete, the personalized spatial audio is ready. Now, music has a proper 3D sound effect. You feel like you're in the middle of the soundstage. Comparing to AirPods Pro 2, Pro has better noise cancellation since it seals inside the ear canal. AirPods 4 ANC is good, but not as strong, expected for this design. Charging is via USB-C with the LED glowing amber when charging. Battery life is about 6 hours listening, 4.5 hours of talk and up to 30 hours with the case. They are also sweat and water resistant. Wireless charging too is available. On sound, the bass is balanced, vocals are clear and spatial audio makes listening much more immersive. Now, let's talk about firmware updates and camera controls. Out of the box, my AirPods had firmware version 7E93. The great thing is, updating is effortless and completely automatic. You just keep the case charged and near your iPhone overnight. No cables, no manual steps, no digging through menus. I left it charging while I slept and by morning, it had seamlessly updated to version 8B356. Just like that, effortless and ready to unlock new features. And camera controls. Honestly, I wasn't sure this feature would be here so I was pleasantly surprised to see it pop up. Once enabled, pressing the 4 sensors starts a countdown 3, 2, 1 and clicks a photo. Works with both front and rear cameras. For video, pull down the control center, tap the audio source and select AirPods as the microphone. Now your iPhone records video while using AirPods for audio capture. Now isn't that cool? Just look at the sample. Hey guys, and I hope it's clear irrespective of the distance. So I'm just gonna walk back and the audio volume levels should stay consistent. So as I walk back, I'm at quite a distance, so I should be pretty audible. Now I'm out of sight, but the audio must be coming in clear. That's really super handy for vlogs, group photos or hands-free shots. So overall, the AirPods 4 with ANC sit between the regular AirPods and the Pro line. You get premium Apple design, adaptive audio, personalized spatial audio, conversation awareness, camera controls and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, all at a lower price than the Pro 2. We are happy with the purchase and I know my wife will love using these every day. If you enjoyed this unboxing and setup guide, please like, share and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.